MLOps, or machine learning operations, is a set of practices and tools for managing the deployment, monitoring, and maintenance of machine learning models in production. It aims to bring together data scientists, developers, and operations teams to ensure the smooth integration of machine learning models into the production environment. MLOps helps organizations overcome the challenges of deploying machine learning models, such as maintaining model accuracy, detecting and fixing issues, and updating models as data and business requirements change. It also automates and streamlines the deployment process, reducing manual effort and increasing efficiency. One of the key benefits of MLOps is improved collaboration between different teams and departments, as everyone involved in the deployment of machine learning models works together more effectively. This results in faster time to market for machine learning projects and better overall results. In summary, MLOps is a critical component of successful AI and machine learning projects. By streamlining the deployment process and ensuring that machine learning models are properly monitored and maintained, MLOps helps organizations achieve better results from their machine learning initiatives.